Welcome to my channel, Curly Fashion World. So today is going to be a tutorial on how to use crown paint colors, temporary hair color. So I followed them on Instagram and they had a giveaway contest on their page. So it's crown paint colors, temporary hair shadows. Comes out in one wash, and the owner is a black lady named Naturally Tosh on Instagram. So then she sent this card and the colors. And even though I won, she still sent me a tracking number and everything. So she's really cool. And a little note on the back saying, "Hey Shanice, congrats on winning my 10K contest. Have fun painting your crown. Naturally Tash." So I have received one regular color in Supreme Purple. That's what I asked for. And then the back it says the name of the color. And then for a complete ingredient list, go to www.irockmynatural.com/shop. So that's Supreme Purple. It comes sealed with tape, so you know it wasn't tampered with. And that's how rich the color is. So I already used this, and it comes out in one wash. As you see, you don't see any color on my puff right now. So I'm going to be putting it on my puff for today. We're not going to use my Supreme Purple today, but she did send me the sample colors of the month, which was 4 littler containers. So I have deep, highlight, UFO, and then I had a pink, which I've also used all of that already. So I don't have that to show. Then it comes with her crown pink colors on the front. And then, so we're going to be using UFO today and highlight, because I have a dress that I'm wearing that'll match these 2 colors. Then we're going to also use some Eco Styler gel. I know y'all canceled that, but I didn't cancel that. I just started using that. My boyfriend's brush, shh, don't tell him. A toothbrush for the edges. And I already did my puff. That's where we're going to be putting it right on my curls on my puff. So let's get started. I've already took the seal off. I haven't used this color at all. It's highlight. And UFO. Well, this is highlight and this is UFO. So let's begin. If you get it on your hands, it washes right off. So I have some water here to keep washing my hands in. Let's begin the surgery. No, it's not that serious. It's very easy to do. So I'm going to grab the curl I want to start with. All you do is grab your fingers, dip it in the color, rub them together, and apply. So I'm going along my curl because I don't want to mess it up. There we go. I don't have this. Going along the curl. So all these curls right here are going to be green. You see it? So what you do is apply it and then you dry it with the blow dryer. So we will be using our blow dryer today, and I have it next to me. But I'm going to use it when I apply all the color. So I'm going to just keep going around to the sections I want to have green. And this is on an old flexi curl. So I'm not really worried about the curl that much. So as you see, it's greener and greener. So I'm gonna put some in the back. So this whole side is gonna be, I should have one green side and one red side, or orange. She calls it highlight side. So I want it to be really green, so I'm gonna just keep applying a little more to the back. So I don't have any green in the back. I'll just keep applying. Probably can't see, but oh well. So that is the green, and then I'm gonna put some on my little curl here while still trying to keep the curl. There we go. See how my fingers are green, but I'm gonna wash it off and you're not even gonna be able to tell. So we got some green on there. It's really green. You see, I want a little more green down here. There we go. Want to be really green. Okay, so we've done green. Now we're gonna do highlight. The color highlight is so cute. And shall we begin surgery again? So I got it in my fingers, rubbing together, and I'm just going to apply. So if you do care about your curl, you would do how I did on my little side curl over there, and just wrap it like, you know, whichever direction your curl is going in. So like she says, it does wash out in one shampoo. So we got a curl right here. Now I'm just gonna wrap it, the color around it. You see? Just wrap the color around it. Wrap the color around it. So, I'm gonna keep applying. So we got some curls up here that's dark, and I'm gonna add some highlight to those. I just keep going around filling for individual curls, and then rubbing and dipping my fingers. So I'm gonna add some highlight over here in the back because I haven't added any color that much in the back. And just grab them and rub the color on them. So, coming around to my whole puff being done. And I'm gonna add some green. You can combine the colors, and I'm gonna add some green to the pink up here because on this side it's a deeper green because I didn't add so much like I did to the other side. So you can see it coming through now. And I like that. Look at that right there. I like that splattered look. We just discovered something here. We're gonna do a pink splatter here with this. See that curl right there? The greenify it. There we go. So once we do this, we're going to blow dry it. And then voila, we're done. We have temporary hair colored our puff. So then I'm gonna do my other side of my baby hair over here with the pink.